Connect USB Type-C enabled devices, MacBook, Chromebook Pixel, Galaxy Note 7 etc. with standard USB Type circa 2.0 enabled devices and accessories, smartphones, car, wall charger, multi-port adapters etc. Ideal for charging and powering USB Type-C enabled devices, as well as syncing data, photos and music. Reversible design. Easily insert the connector into any Type-C enabled device, does not matter which side is up. Type-C port is half the width and 1/3 the height of a standard USB-A connector, slightly larger compared to Lightning or micro USB ports. Up to 480 megabits per second data transfer speed, power output up to 5 volts, 3 amp. Certified by USB if to be compliant with USB 2.0, backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. USB Type-C to USB Type circa 2.0. Connect USB Type-C devices such as MacBook, Chromebook Pixel, Galaxy Note 7 to other Type-C devices like a smartphone, charger or multi-port adapter. Fast data transfer. The USB 2.0 cable provides a USB Type-C connector at both ends for quick and easy data transfers up to 480 megabits per second. Top reviews from the United States. Works as advertised. Bought this as a backup to charge a new TV remote that is supposed to charge by light. Appears to be made of quality material.